Hi guys, this is Anne. I'm going to be making cucumber juice. We're just going to chop the cucumbers like this, put some in the blender. Yeah, put just some which I've chopped up into small pieces in the blender, and then blender, it will blend. So I'm just going to get the rest of the chopped cucumber, put them all like that, and blend away. If it's your first time watching my video, please subscribe. Okay, there it is. There's a mixer, so I'll just put it in a cheesecloth and sieve it. Just putting it all there and show you it will just start separating the pulp from the juice very easily. And yeah, there you go. It's really nice and dark. Yeah, so I'm just showing you how you do it. Cucumber juice is very good for your kidneys. If you have lower back issues, it's a good way to cleanse your system from all the crap that we tend to eat during, especially this time from the pandemic. It's not a good idea to start eating deep fried foods. This is very good to cleanse your system, especially take it very early in the morning as your morning drink. It's very nice. You can see 2 a.m. I'm going to drink that, and I'm going to give some to my mom. And yeah, that's it. That's how you make cucumber juice with a blender. Bye.